Hey guys, James here from The Active Lifestyle. Check us out at The Active Lifestyle NZ. That's on Instagram and Facebook, and also it's theactivelifestyle.co.nz for the website. Now I'm just going to show you quickly how to foam roll your glutes and your quads. If you do this, it will really go a long way to helping with your soreness from training. We've done a lot of squats over this past couple of weeks, so if you're feeling tight and tired in your legs, give yourself a go on the foam roller and see if that helps out. Now, as you can see, I've put my right butt cheek on the foam roller. I'm leaning towards the right, and I've taken my right leg, or rather the foot on my right leg, and I'm lifting so that it rests on my knee on my left leg. So I've got that nice cross position, and I can really lean over to the right to focus on where I feel it. So once you've done one glute, you're going to switch around and do the other side, just so you can see from the other angle here. I've got my left glute on the foam roller, and I'm pulling my left leg over my right leg. Again, roll back and forth. If you look for your hip bone as you lean over more, there'll be spots there that are super tight. Next, we're going to foam roll your quads, and for that you've got three muscles that run down the front of your quad that we're going to try and hit. Up towards your hip and up towards your knee is where they cross over and get tight. So, also remember, never foam roll your kneecap itself. So here, as you can see, I'm lying on the foam roller, and I've taken my left foot and put it behind my right, and also slightly turn my hips away. That helps push the right front side of my hip or thigh into the foam roller, which increases the pressure and means I can get a better massage. If you've got any questions, give us a shout. You can get a foam roller from the studio. They're $50. You can just take it and we'll add it to your account. And if you've got any questions, do give me a shout. Foam rolling frequently will really help your mobility, your soreness, and also help you feel better in general. Remember guys, everything I'm pushing to you, I also do for myself for my own recovery. I probably foam roll my glutes, my hips, my thighs, and sometimes my upper back. But I'm foam rolling at least 3 or 4 times a week.